Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to analyze code quality with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can help you maintain and improve the quality of your code. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project you want to analyze. Codeium integrates seamlessly to provide insights into your code quality. Start by writing or reviewing your code. As you type, Codeium will provide real-time suggestions and highlight potential issues that may affect code quality. Use Codeium's intelligent suggestions to refactor and optimize your code. It can recommend improvements such as better practices, more efficient algorithms, and cleaner code structures. Review Codeium's analysis of your code for potential errors, redundancies, or inefficiencies. Codeium will flag areas that need attention and offer suggestions for fixing them. To get a comprehensive view of your code quality, utilize Codeium's built-in code metrics and analysis tools. These tools can help you measure factors like complexity, readability, and adherence to coding standards. Regularly review and address the issues highlighted by Codeium. This helps in maintaining a high standard of code quality throughout your project. Customize Codeium's analysis settings to match your project's coding standards and quality requirements. Adjust preferences to focus on specific types of issues or code metrics. Integrate Codeium's analysis features into your code review process. Ensure that code quality is assessed alongside functionality and performance during reviews. Keep Codeium and your code editor up to date to benefit from the latest features and improvements in code quality analysis. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to analyze code quality with Codeium. This tool can significantly enhance your ability to maintain high quality code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.